Now that I've shown you everything I use to grow my hair out long, I'm going to plug in my hot comb so I can straighten out my hair. The setting is right here. This is the name. This is Kiss. And there is the setting. This is the on-off button. Once I press it on, you see, it will go up. So I can go up. It's on 3. I want it on 4. See, it's on 3. So now I'm going to go 4, and you'll see. When it's hot, I will start pressing my hair. White tooth comb, I'm just going to separate my hair in a couple sections because that makes it easier for me to iron out my hair. I don't iron my hair often. Every now and then I'll do it. Most of the time I just let it air dry and grease it and do what I have to do. But since I am ironing it today, I try to separate it so I can make it smaller and easier. I use the hair pick to comb my hair out. Oh, my hair is so full. My hair is very, very thick. So I try to do it in small amounts. While my comb is getting hot, my hair is already untangled. So when you're doing those things, you know, you just want to have things around that you're prepared with. Remember to use your hairspray oil to protect your hair. Look, I have a lot. My hair is I have a lot of hair. I have a lot of hair and it's thick. I'm going to start with this section right here. This is by Carrot Hair. I'm going to spray the section. I'm going to hot curl so I don't damage my hair. I can actually smell the heat coming out from this. I'm at number 4. You see, once it's heated, it stops blinking. Already shampooed my hair, do a wash of conditioner, and I've already shampooed my hair, did a wash of conditioner, put in a leave-in conditioner. I have not greased my scalp. I blow dried it, and now I am getting ready to iron the hair. So I put my hair heat protectant, and when I'm done with that, then I'll grease my scalp, and then I'll put my rollers on, and I'll take you along so you can see what I'm doing. Right now, this is where I am. This is the iron. I cannot see. Hopefully you can see. And I just iron. You see, this is the first pass. This is what it looks like. My hair is very, very curly, kinky curly. So when I'm ironing my hair, I try to pass it more than once, but this is it. And I'll do some more, and then I will show you everything. I'm doing it in small portions, so that's gonna take a while. So I'll do another one in the back so you can see. You see it? Now this is what it looks like. Now I'm on the side, so I'm going to do it one pass. As you iron, you change your comb because the big tooth comb is not gonna go through this fine hair. Small comb goes through better. This is where if you need to trim your hair, this is where you do it. You look at the ends. If you need to trim it, that's the perfect time to trim it. Big tooth comb, see, it doesn't do much for the hair because it's too fine now. But this, you see the difference? Like if I try to take this to comb this, it does because it's in a smaller section. But if I need to untangle, this does it better. You see the difference? This is before. Hopefully you can see this is before what it looks like. I go under and I go straight out. That's the first go around. Now I go on top. That's after. Now we're to the end. I'm going to use my spray. I use my spray on every section. If you're not sectioning your hair, I use my spray on every section. If you're not sectioning your hair, you can spray all your hair one time and then just go through it with the hot comb. But I want to do it in sections because it goes faster and it's easier. That's why I like to do it in section. And I just comb that heat protectant through before I start ironing my hair. This is the last one we have. This is the last section. Iron. First pass. Second pass. This iron is very good. Back hair gets warm, the sides get warm, but not hot to burn you. So I can go close to my scalp and iron. Your hair does get hot, especially with the heat protectant in there. You can use gloves if you want to, but what I do, I just hold the section that's not hot, and once it gets to the end, I release it. Now, I use this little comb also because now my hair is already all untangled. And I will cut this in two. And then I start close to the roots and here. First pass. You see all that smoke because you have the serum in your hair. That oil in your hair will do that. It will make it look like it's smoking. But that's just the nature of what you have. It's heat and oil. It's not damaging your hair, it's protecting your hair. So that's that. So you can see before, after. Now I am done. I'm just going to comb everything out. Take my clips out, because I'll be using my clips again when I'm gonna do my hair in rollers. So this is what my hair looked like. I'm going to show you the back. You just have to make sure you take care of your hair nice and healthy, and it will grow long. It will grow long. Eat the right foods, drink a lot of liquid, clear fluids, like water is my favorite drink. And then, take care of your hair, take care of your scalp, and your hair will grow. This is it after it's ironed out.